Federal Law on Mobilization Training and Mobilization in the Russian Federation dated 26.02, 1997 and 31 FZ. Section 5. Conscription of citizens for military service on mobilization. Article 18. Deferral from conscription for military service on mobilization. 1. A deferral from conscription for military service on mobilization is granted to citizens 1. Booked in accordance with the procedure determined by the government of the Russian Federation. 2. Recognized as temporarily unfit for military service for health reasons for up to 6 months. 3. Those who are engaged in permanent care of their father, mother, wife, husband, sibling, grandfather, grandmother or adoptive parent, who are in need of outside permanent care, assistance, supervision, for health reasons in accordance with the conclusion of the Federal Institution of Medical and Social Expertise, or who are disabled of Group I, in the absence of other persons obliged by law to support these citizens. Paragraph 3 of the ed. Federal Law No. 381 FZ of 11/23/2020. 3.1. Being the guardian or trustee of a minor sibling and, or, a minor sister in the absence of other persons legally obliged to support these citizens. Clause 3.1 introduced by Federal Law No. 381 FZ of 11/23/2020. 4. Having 4 or more dependent children under the age of 16 or having a dependent and raising 1 child or more under the age of 16 without a mother. Female citizens having 1 child or more under the age of 16, as well as in the case of pregnancy, the duration of which is at least 22 weeks. Ed. Federal Law No. 381 FZ of 11/23/2020. 4.1. Having a wife whose gestation period is at least 22 weeks, and having 3 dependent children under the age of 16. Clause 4.1 introduced by Federal Law No. 200 FZ of 13.07, 2020. 5. Whose mothers, in addition to them, have 4 or more children under the age of 8 and raise them without a husband. 6. Members of the Federation Council and deputies of the State Duma. 2. Deferral from conscription for military service on mobilization, except for the citizens specified in paragraph 1 of this article, is granted to other citizens or certain categories of citizens who have been given such a right by decree of the President of the Russian Federation.